Hello children, welcome to the video session of Knowing Our Numbers Part 2. In this video session, you are going to learn the following concepts. Let's start with the first topic, that is shifting of digits. Let's see an example first. I am writing a number here. This is 875. If I shift the digits at the first and third places, I will reach a number 578. So before shifting it is 875 and after shifting it is 578, and they are not the same before and after shifting. That means if we shift the digits of a number, we will end up in a new number. But this may not be true all the times, because if you take the example 202 and if you shift the first and third digits of this number, you will always get the same number. That means if you are shifting the same or similar digits of a number, the number before and after shifting will be the same. Now all of you should practice with as many numbers as possible, and you should all read the content that is given below this heading, shifting digits. I request you all to have a practice of reading, because reading improves your language, and if you learn a language means you will be able to understand and you will be able to study anything by reading it. So all of you make it a practice. Let's go to the next topic, children, that is larger numbers. What is the largest one digit number? All of you know the answer. It is 9. And what happens if you add 1 to it? The answer is 10. And 10 is the smallest two-digit number. So from the largest one-digit number, if you add 1, you will get the smallest two-digit number. Let's try with the next level. That is, which is the largest two-digit number? It is 99. Do the same operation with 99. We will get 100, and which is the smallest three-digit number. See, this pattern works out on all the largest n-digit number. If you add 1 to a largest n-digit number, you will get the smallest n plus 1 digit number. That is, if you take a largest n-digit number, you will get the smallest n plus 1 digit number. Let's have a look at your textbook now. Larger numbers, and the pattern is given in your textbook. You have to complete the pattern and attempt the try this section given below that. Okay, let's go to the last topic of today's session, that is revisiting place value system. You have all learned the place value system in class 5. So all of you try to answer this now. I am writing a number here all of you should write the place values of each and every digit in this number. Before starting, you should learn, you should understand one thing, that when we assign place value, you have to assign it from right side to the left side. Okay, make this as the practice. Always start from right end. Okay, so let's write from the left right end, and the first digit is 7. 7 is in the place of ones, so we can write 7 is in the place of ones, and 4 is in the place of tens. Then 1 is in the place of hundreds, and 2 is in the place of thousands. Okay, you got it? So this is the place value system that we follow in India. Now let's write the expanded form of this. How to write the expanded form? Okay, so let's write it 2 into 1000 plus how many hundreds? 100. Okay, so we will write 1 into 100 plus, then 4 tens. We will write 4 into 10 plus how many ones? 7 ones. Okay, so 7 into 1. This is equal to 2147. Okay, so this is the way you have to write the given number in the expanded form after assigning the place values. Now have a look at your textbook. Here you are having revisiting place value system, and one example is given there, and there is try these session. So in this try these section, they have given the expansions. Okay, and you have to attempt with more examples. So I hope all of you will try with more and more examples. Let's do an example from exercise 1.1 from the first fill in the blanks. Let's take the first question. A. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. How to solve it? 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. You have to write this first. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000 is given in the question. Let's make it in the form of digits. 1 lakh is equal to dash. Let's put an into symbol there and write 10,000. Okay, now compare the number of zeros on the left side as well as the right side. On the right hand side you have only 4 zeros, and on the left side you have 5 zeros. So how many zeros are missing on the right side? 1 zero is missing, so that zero you have to write here, 10, and this is the answer. So you will write 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. So in this way you have to answer the remaining questions in this section. Okay, all these questions you have to try to solve.